Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2App, and in this video I'm gonna show you some of the best Windows 11 tips and tricks you should be using in 2026. First of all, let's start by Snap Layout. Snap Layout helps to organize multiple windows instantly. What you need to do is simply hover over the Maximize button and choose a layout. Now you can use multiple tabs at the same time simultaneously. Now the next is to enable clipboard history by pressing Windows V. This lets you access previously copied items and you can also pin it. You should also turn on storage sense to automatically free up disk space. For better productivity, try Focus Session inside the Clock app. Simply click on the Start button and then search for Clock app. Here you will see the focus section where you can see your daily goals. Windows 11 also includes an improved task manager with startup app controls and resource monitoring. And don't forget widgets for quick access to weather, news, and other information. These simple tips can make Windows 11 faster and easier to use. And that's it. Those are some of the best Windows 11 tips and tricks for 2026. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.